So ito yung order, guys.
3 hours na. The waiting time is disgusting.
Ito yung Stardust Tracer. Kung saan may namatay na. Wow! Wala pa rin yung order namin. Hi guys, welcome to Orlando, Florida. Medyo energy ko kasi ano na dito, 6:30 na ng gabi. Although may araw pa din, pero technically I've been up since 3 a.m. in California. So medyo tas hindi ako nakatulog na maayos sa plane kasi nasa middle seat ako. But currently we are at Sheraton Lake Buena Vista Resort. It's in the middle of Epic Universe, which we are going on our first day, which is tomorrow, and the second day, the day after, Epcot. So, yun lang. Isa sa Universal Park, tapos isa sa Disney Park. Ayun. Hindi namin nilahat para meron pa ulit kaming babalikan. You know what I mean? Kasi kung apat-apat, di ba, 8 days yun lahat. So, like, I don't know. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog sa loob ng airport since ang dami naming luggage. All in all, tatlo yung dala ko. As for the weather, as I said, it's 6:30 na. Pero it's still 30 degrees Celsius. So, yung feeling para akong nasa Philippines. What else? What did I first observe pa? Yung vibes. Napansin din ng mom ko yon. Yung total vibe of Orlando when we came out of the airport nung nasundo na kami ng Uber. It felt like I was back in the Philippines. Like, I don't know, the setting, ganun. Antayin ko kasi ang lowest temperature daw ngayon ay 19 degrees Celsius. Ang highest is 31. So, tingnan natin kung lalamig pa katulad ng California. Although, I don't think so. Pero, I will see later. So, nag-check-in lang si mom ngayon. Tapos, aakyat kami sa room, freshen up konti. Then, lalabas ulit kami to eat dinner na. Tapos, para makapagpahinga na and ayusin yung gamit for the next day. Kasi we'll only be here for like 4 days. Guys, we're out. We're out. Yun ang Sheraton. We're out. Kakain kami na dyan. Sana bukas siya. Ito, may gift shop dito. We're inside Hungry Crab na. So, para siyang yung, ano yan sa Philippines? Shrimp bucket. Or yung isa pa yung bago. Ito yung itsura niya, guys. Meron sila nito, mga plates. Yan, ito yung logo nila. Tapos meron silang pang-crack. Tapos bibs and stuff. Ayan. Ito yung clam chowder nila.
Sarap, diba?
Yeah. Also comes with this. So ito yung order namin. Meron siyang 2 corn, 2 potato, meron siyang shrimp with head on, snow crab with legs, and scallops, and sausage. Lahat half pound lang. So yan na yung order.
Hi everyone!
Guys, dito na kami sa gift shop. And it's nice. Ang daming things, Disney things inside. Look. Hanap tayo ng magnet na iuuwi. Kailangan may Florida magnet din tayo. Guys, kung bibili kayo ng Uno, this is the best. Ito na yung nakuha namin. This is $4.99. Ngayon ko lang din nalaman na ang Orlando pala ay theme park capital of the world. Kaso search ko lang kasi naghanap nga ako ng magnet. So sabi ko, what is Orlando known for? So yun, we are the theme park capital of the world. Guys, nagsisisi na ako. Mas magaganda yung magnet dito. Same store pero iba lang ng area. I didn't see, but mom's paying or Tapos kanina ko pa siya nakikita dyan. Nakala ko totoong tao. Ayun yung hotel namin guys. It's Sheraton. So tatawid kami here. Ganon. Tapos pa left. So now, na 8 p.m. na dito. Tapos sa California, it's around siguro mga 5. I can say na hindi malamig here. Kahit sinasabi nilang 19 yung lowest dito.
Init-init.
Ang init. So buti na lang yung mga damit namin bukas. Hindi naman siya super kapal. Yung kay mami makapal.
No.
We just crossed the street. Ito siya sa harapan. May fountain. So kapag member kayo ng Marriott Bonvoy, mas mura yung rates like a little bit as compared sa kapag non-member kayo. Dito kami. So this is the door. We're at level 4. Pagpasok nyo, ito na agad yung room. Tapos ito yung sink. Kumbaga na half and half nasa labas yung bathroom. Ito yung bathtub and shower. And then ito yung toilet. Of course without bidet. Tapos tissue paper. And then ito yung sink. Tapos, ito yung full-length mirror. Yan yung tapunan. Ito yung TV stand, TV. Tapos, ito na yung double bed. Right? Tapos, desk. And then, air conditioning unit. And then, yung labas. So, ito yung labas. Super liit lang nung... Actually, wala nang space. Tingnan nyo. Ito yung chair. Tapos, ito yung table. Tapos ito na yon. Doon kami galing kanina, kung kita nyo, yung Bargain World. Tapos doon kami kumain sa Hungry Crab. Yon. Kung mapapansin nyo, wala talagang mga lights sa ceiling. Puro ganyan lang sila. That's it for my room tour. See you tomorrow. Good morning. We've already had breakfast. Nagaantay na lang kami ng time to go to our first park for today. So it's currently 8:10 in the morning. Oh! Anyway, meron din silang mga ano dito, shuttle services sa Sheraton. Ito yung schedule. Yan. Tapos, ito yung return shuttle. Ito yung mga rules, ganun. Tapos, ito yung map. Ito yung map ng Sheraton. We're here! We're walking na towards the park. Hindi pa naman entrance, pero magpipicture kasi kami sa portal. Wow! Look, guys! Whoa! Wow! Wow! Nandito na kami and it's been I think more than 1.5 hour. Ayan. Dito ko rin sa ride na to. Ganun talaga kapag walang express pass. Kasi ang isang express pass dito na all ages nasa $270 without tax pass. So approximately mga nasa 15,000 pesos. So kapag kami dalawa na mami mag-a-avail to, nasa 30,000 plus yon in peso. So I don't know if it's worth buying the express pass, pero syempre dun kasi sa weight, diba, it's different. So ayun, let's go in. Wow, wow. concert ni Dolores. Pero buti na lang talaga air condition dito. Tapos marami namang makikita. Yan pa yung pila guys. Ikot pa yan. Tapos sa loob pa.
It has been 3 hours now, lining up for this Harry Potter. Harry Potter?
Guys, palapit na kami.
Hi, 3 hours in the making.
Guys, we're nearing 4 hours. But I guess, malapit na. It's 1 p.m. already. We entered the park at like 9:15 and we're still lined up. And we haven't eaten lunch yet. Ewan ko. Ito katabi ko sila ngayon, nagsasalita. Hindi pa kami tapos pa-ride pa rin kami. Ay, salamat. Pasakay na kami guys. Walang video sorry. We just finished the ride guys. Maganda yung ride. And we also got the souvenir. Dito kami sa gift shop. Look. Guys, nakapag-CR na kami tapos nasa cafe something kami. Tapos pila na naman syempre. Ayan, pero ang ganda ng itsura inside. Update namin kaya po naka-order na kami. So we're here at the cafe sa France. Ito yung itsura niya. Order kami ng butterbeer. Buti na lang finally after more than 3 hours nakaupo na kami. After nito, hindi ko alam kung magra-rides ba ulit kami or papanoorin namin yung show. Pero ang goal ko kasi ma-ride ko man lang yung Donkey Kong, pati Frankenstein, pati kahit isa lang na roller coaster sa How to Train Your Dragon. Hopefully magawa kasi hindi ko na ina-expect na matapos lahat honestly dahil sa pila. Dahil ang dami pa rin pila, makikita niyo yung pila sa loob ng app. Sa app lang lahat. Pero unlike California Disney, wala siyang booking here. So, titingnan nyo lang kung ano yung wait time. Tapos wait time, takbo na kayo papunta doon. As per my understanding, gano'n. Pero maganda naman. Maganda yung Battle of Ministry, honestly. Sobrang HD niya. As in, it can't compare to other parks na mas matanda na medyo malabo na yung screen. Ito, literal HD.
The ride is exciting and so artistic. It's totally a new concept. But the waiting time is disgusting. Totally disgusting. 4 hours for a few minutes.
See, for 4 hours, which is totoo naman. Buti na nga lang, we were placed in front actually. Kasi di ba matangkad ako, so akala ko nung nakita ko nung guy, nung staff, nilalagyan ko sa likod, pero apparently hindi naman. So, ayun. Tapos may family rin kasi na nandun na gusto nila seated sila together. So, sa likod sila. Nakita nyo naman, kasi pinakita ko na yung photo namin kanina, di ba? Mahal na nga ng photo, nasa $43 siya. So, guys, naka-French kasi sa menu to, so hindi ko alam. Basta ito yung food namin. Ito, creme brulee. Tapos ito, French onion soup. Kain. Okay, guys. Kalalabas lang namin ng portal ng Wizardry. And then, we're gonna go to, I think, the Isle of Berk for the Dragon Show para magpahinga muna saglit. Guys, ito yung Stardust Racer kung saan may namatay na tao. Although it's been proven naman na hindi siya fault ng ngayon na wow.
nandito na kami at maraming pila. Buti na nga lang talaga dun sa tip na nakita ko line up at least 30 minutes before. So tama naman. Because marami talagang line. 3:01 na 3:10 yung show. After nito, tatry naman namin mag-rides para naman may masakyan pa kaming iba. Hawakan mo muna.
And to the end.
Papunta na kami ng Nintendo World. Ito yung carousel. Yeah, exactly. It's blazing hot. Wow! It's the same thing in California but bigger. $90 minutes. What is this ride? Ito ba yung Hindi ata ito yung Donkey Kong. So guys, mali kami ng pinuntahan. Palagi kasi same na same eh. So mali, doon kami pupunta kasi doon sa videos na napanood ko na walkthrough, meron talaga siyang separate portal for Donkey Kong. Nagtataka ako bakit hindi. Yun pala yun yung Mario Kart na 8 na augmented reality, which nasakyan na namin sa Universal LA. So hindi na namin yung sasakyan ulit.
You could compare.
So ito yon. Nag-picture lang kami saglit, tapos ito na kami papuntang Minecart Madness. 85 minutes yung wait, so hopefully okay naman. Ito na agad. Ayan na, yun na yung ride nandun. At least this time parang hindi naman kami nag-antay ng sobrang tagal. Pinakabahan na si Mami. Again, wala na naman tong video kasi Universal to, hindi siya Disney. Later! Ayun. Finally, na-try ko siya. So, dalawa lang siya sa World. Sa World, either here sa Orlando and another one is in Japan. Universal Studios Japan. Ngayon, bibili kami ng float. Ayun o, cute. Guys, so cute. Ito yung mug. Yan. Ay, mga ikot-ikot muna kami. Kasi ano na din, 5:53. This is probably gonna be our third and last ride for today. I thought makaka 5 man lang kami or 6, pero wala. Ganun talaga, ang haba ng pila. Mabalik na lang ulit next time. Here's how it looks like. Ayan. After nito, dinner kami sa Atlantic or Atlantis, I'm not sure. Guys, kagagaling lang namin doon, chinek lang namin yung kainan. Ito siya, that tall. Wah, parang tavern. Katatapos lang namin dun sa hiccup na wing glider. Again, wala kami video kasi naka-locker kami. Kasi mabilis na siya, as in mabilis talaga siya, may puro acceleration siya. Ngayon papunta kami ng Atlantic para mag-dinner. Titingnan namin if pwede na kami pumasok ng mas maaga. Tapos after nun, titingin kami ng mga souvenir if kaya, para lang sa magnet. Yun lang. Tapos fountain na. Apparently the fountain starts at 9. It's just 6:30. As for how is it?
The drop is uncomfortable but manageable. For a first timer like me,
Yeah, fun
it's
fact.
been a long time. It's been a long time.
Fun fact, hindi kasi sumasakay talaga ng roller coaster si Mami. Sumasakay lang siya dahil sa akin.
But
Tapos,
it's manageable.
her first roller coaster, actual roller coaster, was in
When I was in high school,
Ay, hindi yung kasama ko, Singapore, di ba?
In Singapore.
Yeah, it's Singapore. So that's where we're going, Atlantic, if you can see that, guys. Apparently, hindi naman pala kami malilate because 10 pa yung mismong fountain show and 7 yung dinner namin. 6:32 na. Loko. Ngayon, on the hunt na kami for magnets. Ay, look guys. Ito yung binili ko last time sa LA. Wala doon. Ito yung portal guys. Wala doon sa isang shop. So dito kami sa other shop. Sabi nung girl, meron daw mas magandang magnet. No, not mas maganda, pero may ibang magnet. So let's see if they have other magnets that entices us. Entices! In fairness, very industrial ang atake ng mga merch dito. Ito lang talaga sila. Grabe naman, ang susyongit. Nasa Atlantic na kami. Mas bougie siya guys. Mas, alam niyo yan, mas fine dining type. I had a reservation here for 7, 6:56 na. Tapos gusto namin sana near the window. So they are trying to make it happen. But we have to wait a few more minutes. So we're just waiting for that. After nito, magstay na siguro kami dun sa may fountain area para maganda yung view namin. Tapos, that ends our day. 3 rides only. Oh, and also we're going to ride the carousel pa pala. The Astral Carousel at ay name nun. Nasa gitna siya. Maganda siya sa night. Guys, look, we're at Atlantic. Ito kami. Ganda. Sa gabi na siya. If makita nyo, it's open na. The lights are open na. Here's the aesthetic. Aesthetic! I'm excited for our dinner because we ordered the sweet corn chowder. My mom ordered the seared scallops and then I ordered the Atlantic filet mignon. Ito na yung sweet corn chowder. It's been 39 minutes since we ordered. And of course, may schedule pa kaming susunod eh. Ayun, until now, wala pa rin yung order namin. Sabi ng waitress sa amin, 25 to 30 minutes pero wala pa rin yung order. So I don't know what happened. Sabi 18 minutes lang daw pinunch yung order. Pero ngayon wala pa din. I don't know if their service is good or bad. The place is big, I know. Pero they require you to make a reservation here. So I don't know what's up. Ito yung seared scallop. Ito yung filet mignon. Ayan, this is how it looks like, guys. That's where we had dinner. Now, i-check lang namin yung portal na hindi namin napuntahan the rest of the day because ano nga ba? Ay, nasira kasi yung ride. So, there was no point in going there anymore. But now, we wanted to see it just for pictures. And, you know, para makita siya in person.
Ang ganda na paggabi, oh.
Ito na yung vibes niya paggabi. Ay, nandun kami kanina. Tapos yun yung Grand Helios Hotel. Just like what Mom said, kung hindi kami nagtagal ng 4 hours sa Harry Potter, may ikot talaga namin yung buong... Actually, pag titingnan nyo yung concierge dito, ayan, nandyan, puno na. And naubos yung express pass today, guys. Also, in fairness, yung weather dito, Philippines nga siya like, pero hindi siya kasing init. Just like what I said yesterday night, na hindi siya super... Ngayon, chilly siya kasi ano na ba? It's 25 degrees Celsius na. Para na siyang aircon, ganon. It's not enough para magpawis ka if hindi mo naman intended. Oh, yun na yung Dark Universe portal. Wow! Yan na, mga Halloween deckers. Oh, ayun yun oh, yung Frankenstein Castle oh. It's so nice. Sira yung ride, so hindi namin siya mapapasok. That's the ride na parang ang dami nag-aantay pa rin. Wow! Do you want a photo?
Yeah, of course. On the wall. It's the famous.
in-explore lang namin yung Dark Universe portal pero wala talaga kami magagawa doon. So, we left. Tapos yung isang roller coaster kasi doon, umiikot din yung cart. I don't know if I'm up for that tonight.
First werewolf.
Yeah, Curse of the Werewolf. So ngayon, we're going to the Nintendo World again to ride the Yoshi one. Yay! We're going back! It's prettier at night.
Guys, it's more colorful.
Wow!
Guys, so colorful and artistic. Where's the...
Nandito na kami sa carousel. Guys,
Hi,
we're here.
we're here at the Constellation Carousel.
We're at the, I don't know kung Phoenix ba yan or...
It's Phoenix.
Yeah. Oh! Wow! Wow! Okay, we're rushing to go get good seats. Wah, kala mo naman punong-punong. Good seats for the fountain show.
Greetings, travelers. The time has come for the chronos to align. Across the cosmos, the energy of every portal will soon ignite, channeling the power of the stars as Celestial Park bids you goodnight. using your wizarding magic, raced through realms of power-up and play, stood face to face with monsters and darkness, and soared beyond the clouds with dragons. Now, Celestial Park invites you to a final celebration of these epic worlds. Until the next epic journey calls you back. Farewell and good night.
Guys, katatapos lang nung show pero meron pa siyang ending kasi. Maganda naman yung experience namin maliban doon sa wait time actually. Masaya naman din yung mga rides, right?
Yes, somehow.
I think after this, after pahinga ng konti, alis na kami, tapos magbubuk na kami ng Uber pa uwi ng hotel. Tapos prepare ulit para tomorrow, which is cut. So probably that's going to be another vlog. Hindi ko siya pagsasamahin sa dalawa. Look guys, that's the portal at night. So nice. Meron silang ganyan TV, tapos dinidisplay nila doon, ayun o, dinidisplay nila yung address. Tapos ayun, makikita namin sa Uber kung saan exactly kayo pipick upin. Gaantay lang kami dito sa curb, sa red zone. May mga other zones pa doon, blue zone, red zone, ayan. Tapos ito yung, actually the whole thing, from there to there is parking. Guys, we're at the hotel na, and this is where the vlog ends. Watch out for my Epcot vlog on another video.